Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and marvelous toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, every stage.